Welcome to the tutorial for installing Camweara Find My Size Shopify app. Install the app from Shopify App Store and activate the plan. You will get access to the setup guide. Click on Add Product. You can see the default size chart available. Click on plus icon. Select the products which you want to link to the size chart. Don't forget to click on Save. Now let's create a size chart. Click on Create Size Guide, enter the title, choose gender, add row if required, click on Save. Change size guide link to a product if required. Now let's add the Find My Size button on the website. Click Theme Integration, you will be redirected to the product page. Click anywhere within the product information section on the left sidebar. Select Find My Size, double-click to customize the button appearance. Click on Save. Now you can see the Find My Size button for all the products linked to the size charts. Camweara's AI predicts size based on user inputs and product measurements. Now, let's see how to customize the size guide as per your size chart. Click on Add Column and select the parameter and enter the values for each size. Go to Billing to see the plans and upgrade. Contact support if you need any help, we will reach you via email within few hours.